Hi there, this is Renate again, and welcome to my discussion on intellectual revolutions that defined our society today. So this is on the subject science, technology, and society, and this is Sir Nate, and welcome to my class. Intellectual revolutions have played a pivotal role in shaping societies throughout history. These transformative moments mark profound shifts in human understanding, challenging established beliefs, and paving the way for new ways of thinking. Intellectual revolutions often encompass a wide range of disciplines, including science, philosophy, politics, and culture, and they impact society by influencing how people perceive themselves and the world around them. In this concept, we will be exploring some of the most significant intellectual revolutions that have defined our society, ranging from the Copernican Revolution up to the Information Age, and we will be examining their enduring impacts on our world. Because you see, whenever, as I've said in our previous lessons, whenever science and technology changes, there is always an impact to the society, particularly on how they perceive things, especially themselves, and how the world, or how they would interact with the world around them. Okay, so let's start with several discussions on this intellectual revolutions. By the way, when we say intellectual revolutions, when we say revolution, it's causing a change. You know, if we do a revolution or a revolt, we wanted to change something that is preeminent or very rampant during that time. Okay, so what is general or natural during that time needs to be changed, according to the concept of intellectual revolutions. And there are a lot of things, events that happened in the history pertaining to this. Okay, so pag-aaralan natin yan sa video na to. Okay, so the first one is what we call as the Copernican Revolution. Alright, so what happened in here is that Nicholas Copernicus proposed a heliocentric model of the solar system. Because during the time of, I think, Aristotle and Plato and some other philosophers, Greek philosophers, okay, together with the Roman Catholic Church, they taught, when I say taught, they teach people, they taught people that it was the earth and the human beings who are the center of the universe, right? So that was their prior understanding of the solar system, or we can call it as the earth-centric system or the geocentric system. Okay, they believe that it was the earth and it was the sun, it was the earth that's the center, and it was the sun and the other planets that revolves around the earth. Alright, but how here comes Nicholas Copernicus, okay, proposing a heliocentric model of the solar system, and this revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. Okay, so how they knew, alright, their understanding on the universe before as an earth-centered universe or a geocentric universe was quite different. Okay, and the claims of Copernicus was based on science. Okay, though Plato and Aristotle also did some of their studies, however, Nicholas Copernicus' claims were more supported. Okay, that's why today we now understand, hindi pala Earth ang center ng universe ngayon. It was actually the sun. Okay, so what is its technological impact? The Copernican Revolution led to advancements in astronomy and navigation. Okay, and because of this curiosity, we can call it curiosity. Because of this curiosity on the claims of Nicholas Copernicus, there was a spur in the development of telescopes. Okay, and they improved methods of charting or the drawing or modeling of the celestial bodies. And this had profound implications for exploration and trade as well. Okay, so that's on the Copernican revolution. He changed our point of view, or the society's point of view, when it comes to the model of the universe, particularly on the solar system. The next one is Darwinian revolution. Okay, so Charles Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection transformed our understanding of life on Earth. Okay, so if you remember, okay, there were two prevailing claims on how human beings came to exist or existence. Okay, there was this creationism theory, and there was this evolution theory by natural selection. Okay, so he explained how species evolved over time through the struggle for survival and adaptation. But actually, that theory was debunked by Charles Darwin himself, because when he was trying to identify, okay, on how the monkeys are related to human beings, there is somewhat a missing linkage, okay, between the two. And the question that if everything or every living thing has to evolve, then how come that there are still monkeys today? Alright, so those were some of the questions. Bakit may unggoy ngayon kung nag-e-evolve ang lahat? Ibig sabihin, dapat wala nang ibang hayop. Because, if everything evolves, then, by natural selection, if I bring a monkey to the North Pole or to Antarctica, they should become, they would evolve into something that could reason and help themselves to be protected in the harsh cold weather of a specific location. Okay, so what is the technological impact of this? So this revolution contributed to the fields of genetics and biotech. Okay, so it prompted the development of genetic research and led to breakthroughs like DNA sequencing, genetic engineering, and the mapping of the human genome. So, dito na rin nag-umpisa yung mga tinatawag natin mga taxonomy and everything. So, it was after the Darwinian revolution, alright, when the taxing or the taxonomy of every organism was developed. Alright, so yan, ilan sa mga technological impact ng Darwinian revolution. The next one is the Freudian revolution. Si Freudian naman, or it was developed or by Sigmund Freud, okay, who worked in psychoanalysis, which revolutionized psychology by emphasizing the importance of unconscious mind and the role of childhood experiences in shaping adult behavior. So with this, the Freudian revolution influenced the field of psychology and psychiatry, leading to the development of psychotherapy and techniques like talk therapy, which have had a profound impact on mental health treatment. Okay? So dahil dito sa study or sa breakthrough ni Sigmund Freud, okay, the understanding before that we are just a living organism, we are weak when it comes to mental structures and mentality. Sigmund Freud's work gave us a way of understanding more about how we think, how a person thinks, give us an understanding more of our mind, and so on and so forth. Right? So this led to a lot of development in addressing psychological problems. Alright, aside from this, meron din tayong tinatawag na information age. And this is the current age we are in right now. So the information age is characterized by rapid advancements of computer, digital communication, and of course the internet. It has transformed how we gather, process, and disseminate information. Right? So as its technological impact, the information age has seen the development of computers, the internet, and information technology. These innovations have revolutionized various fields from communication and entertainment to business and science. And today, sa ginagamit natin ngayon, artificial intelligence, big data analysis, and automation are key outcomes of this age. Okay? Kaya kung mapapansin natin at mapag-aaralan natin, information age actually opened us a lot of opportunities to study more and specifically on the advancements of digital communication. Kaya nga tignan nyo, ang dami ng iba't ibang ginagamit natin mga platform to communicate. We have the social media and everything. And when it comes to education, okay, technology is also a very useful tool. Okay, ginagamit din natin ito ngayon. Like for example, itong paggawa ko ng video na ito, we use technology and I share it through social media. Yun ang information age. Now, let's proceed to another, What about the science and technology of different civilizations? And in here, we will be focusing on the Mesoamerican, the Asian, the Middle Eastern, and the Africans. Alright, so starting with the Mesoamerican, there are actually, I think each of the civilizations that I presented a while back, I gave, I think, two each, two prevailing civilizations on each. Right? So the first one is under Mesoamerican, we have the Maya civilization, who made significant advancement in math, astronomy, and calendar systems. Kaya meron din tayong tinatawag na Mayan calendar. Okay, they developed a complex and highly accurate calendar which has been crucial for agriculture and religious rituals. So they are also knowledgeable when it comes to stars and celestial events, and they aided navigation and agricultural planning. Actually, there were articles before that I've read that the Mayans were able to predict some of the celestial happenings of today. Next is we have the Aztec. Okay, so the Aztecs constructed impressive infrastructure, including causeways, aqueducts, and floating gardens. They also had a sophisticated understanding of agriculture, employing techniques like chinampas or the floating gardens to maximize food production in swampy areas. Okay, so that's on the Aztec civilization. The next one is for the Asians. We have two prevailing as well. We have the Chinese civilization, which is had a very rich history of technological innovation. They were the ones who invented paper, okay, or yung current, yung modern paper natin ngayon, right? Printing press was also invented by them, gunpowder, and of course the compass. And this had profound impacts on communication, warfare, and navigation. The Chinese also made significant contributions to mathematics and astronomy. Alright, so madami din palang ambag ang Chinese civilization during the time. Alright, another is the Indian civilization. Indian mathematics, napapanood natin sila ngayon. Alright, particularly the development of the decimal system and the concept of zero. Okay, revolutionized mathematics and paved the way for modern mathematics. Indian scholars also made important contributions to medicine, including advances in surgery and understanding of diseases. Okay, so it was the Indian people who introduced to us the concept of zero. Okay, next, for the Middle Easterns, we have the Islamic Golden Age, and during that time, okay, scholars in the Middle East made groundbreaking contributions to various fields. They preserved and translated Greek and Roman texts, so they are knowledgeable of this, Alright, advancing knowledge in mathematics, astronomy, medicine, and philosophy. Algebra derived from the Arabic word aljar, yes. Okay. Aljabar is a notable mathematical concept developed during this period. So, sila ang sisihin natin kung bakit merong algebra. Okay. Next, the medieval Islamic medicine. Alright, so scholars like Ibn Sina, so that's how we pronounce it, Ibn Sina, made significant contributions to medicine with work like the Canon of Medicine, which is actually a book, okay, which became a standard medical textbook in Europe for centuries. They also developed sophisticated hospitals and medical practices. Ayan, so kung makikita nyo sa picture, they were the ones doing the surgery. Next, we have the African. Okay, last na ito. The ancient Egypt. Alright, the ancient Egyptians made remarkable advancements in architecture. Makikita naman natin on how they built the what we call as the pyramids, Right, they also developed a system of hieroglyphic writing and made progress in mathematics, particularly in geometry, which was essential for land measurement along the Nile River. Okay? And by the way, sila rin ang unang gumamit ng papyrus, okay, where the word paper came from. Another is the city Carthage, okay, which is located in North Africa, was known for its maritime technology and shipbuilding. Carthaginian sailors and navigators explored and traded across the Mediterranean, contributing to the spread of knowledge and commerce. Okay? So, ayan. These are just some of the notable civilizations and periods in time, okay, or what we call as the intellectual revolutions that happened during the history that paved a way for us of understanding more about science and technology. And these are the revolutions and the civilizations that provided us had a great impact on shaping the current society that we have today. All right, so I hope you understood the lesson that we had on this video, and I hope that you will be able to comprehend and appreciate these advancements and the things that these civilizations and revolutions contributed to our society today. So thank you so much again. This is Sir Nate, and have a great day.